Hi, this video will show you how to operate the RGB lights in ProCool Fidgets with the remote. Content includes the activation, the static mode, the dynamic mode, and the autoplay mode of the RGB lights. Let's get started now. Power on the fridge. Make sure the RGB light switch inside the fridge is on. Press the power key on the remote control to turn on the RGB lights. Now the RGB light has been activated. We will go ahead to select the play mode. In the dynamic mode, you can press the color keys or the bright keys to switch to the static mode. Under the static mode, you have different colors to choose. Each press of the color keys will switch the static color in the forward or reverse direction. You can press the bright minus key to decrease the brightness. And you can also press the bright plus key to increase the brightness. In the static mode, you can press the mode keys or the speed keys to switch to the dynamic mode. You have different dynamic modes to choose. Each press of the mode keys will switch one mode. In the dynamic mode, you can press the speed plus key to increase the speed. And you can also press the speed minus key to decrease the speed. In any state of power on, you can press the autoplay key to switch to the autoplay mode. In this mode, each dynamic mode will automatically play 3 times in turn. These are all the contents of this video. Thank you for watching. As always, we want to thank you for choosing ProCool. If you have any problem during use, you can contact us anytime for help.